Okay, here's our game. Let's look at the first word. Can you find me the picture of the crescent moon? Remember the definition yesterday that we came up with for crescent. Good. It looks like a sliver, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is an example of the crescent moon. Can you find me a non-example of the word crescent? So you think that this picture is a crescent? No. Can you find a picture that is a crescent but isn't like the crescent moon? It's a non-example of a crescent? Yeah, good. A crescent roll. Have you ever had one of these?
No.
I've made these before. You just haven't eaten them?
I choose to eat.
Okay. Good. Let's look at the next one. Phases. Can you find me a picture of the moon phases? Good. So here's the phases we talked about. The new moon, the crescent moon, the first quarter, full, third quarter, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are different phases of the moon. Can you find me a picture that is another type of phases? Okay, that relates to the moon still, right? We're
Yeah.
thinking of a non-example, so it's not...
Oh, non-example? I thought you said another example.
You're right. I did. Good. So how is that phases?
It's like phases of growing up.
Good. So it's changes. Remember we said the definition of phases was changes of the moon. So the phases of the moon looks like the different changes,
Mm-hmm.
but phases could also be the changes that somebody goes through, right, as they grow up.
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, let's look for the quarter moon. Good. So yesterday, do you remember we said a quarter was a part of the moon? So this is what we would see, part of the moon, a quarter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now can you find me another non-example